beautiful soul sister, to your amazing lesson on mindset around social media. I want to speak to you today about how you can be your own hero. And what this means is often we have to be and stand for ourselves first before anyone else will see how amazing we are. And you really have to help yourself first. How you do this is by working through those limiting beliefs that are basically stealing your brilliance from you. Yesterday, I was on a beautiful coaching call with one of my clients, helping her work out her social media plan and help her virtual assistant create the plan for her. During this call, it was so obvious that there was a huge block in place for her to show up authentically. And all she wanted was to be authentic on social media. So what is stopping you? What are those limiting beliefs that you are telling yourself are true that actually, when we dive deeper into coaching, we realize that they are just silly stories that we made up? One of the things that came out was, I don't want to just post for the sake of posting. I don't want to just create a reel for the sake of posting a reel. We get that. But you certainly can connect with your reels. You can create authenticity in the way you share. If you don't like being on social media and sharing your life and the amazing life you have because you feel that others would judge you, then find what suits you. If you want to be very authentic and just share the breakdowns you're having, share your journey, share your daily rituals that keep you in a positive mindset, then do that first. Find your authentic voice. But certainly, it's really, really important to do your personal development, because we can only give you a silver platter of how to post reels, why they're so important, how to do them, all the amazing reasons why you should be doing the strategy, but then you don't do it. And the only thing stopping you is your mindset. So what I coached her in yesterday was something so powerful. And in this one-to-one session with me, she was able to finally see those thoughts were inauthentic thoughts, those stories weren't true, and that she was a brilliant woman who wanted to express herself. What happened? The next day, she posted her first reel. Amazing. And I can tell you, when you just do things, even though sometimes you don't feel like it, you will grow into it. You will find your message. You'll find your voice. But you really do have to overcome the mindset first to actually apply the actions and have them work. And this is exactly why in our coaching program, Magnetized Soul, we include so much mindset, because it is absolutely a feminine way of running a business, is get into the vibrational alignment first, get into clarity, find those inspired actions, and then take the action. In this video, I want you to really think about how can you prepare yourself to get into alignment, to find those inspired actions, and then to take the action doing a reel. Like I said, when you look at a social media strategy these days and you see just posts on Instagram, it really kills me to know that that person has spent so much time crafting these beautiful posts. Instagram will not push them out. So sometimes you really have to do what the platform wants of you, and also what people on the platform want to see. They want engagement. They want humor. They want fun, which is exactly why reels really reach well and get a lot of engagement. So do yourself a favor, save all that time and hassle, and just do reels. I'd love you to post today. What is the mindset belief that has been stopping you? And how can you talk yourself out of it to just do the action, be your own hero, and find the path to the other side? And if you're really stuck and you really know that you are holding yourself back and you're maybe not being coachable, which is something that's quite hilarious sometimes to finally see someone realize that they are not being coachable and then be open to be receiving of new thoughts. I would love to invite you to take our Soul Sister questionnaire, to jump on a call with us and find out what exactly is amiss. This is a very niche strategy, the Reels Blitz, but we're certainly business coaches and we have a full strategy available. And maybe if Reels is not working for you right now, or you just don't know how to apply it, then we need to go back to the bigger picture and see what your next steps are. I hope this helps. Have an amazing day.